Hello kids! Today we learn ABC. First of all, we learn some colors name. Sea green color, dark green color, purple color, brown color, blue color, sky blue color, light pink color, light green color, red color, pink color, orange color, yellow color, black color, white color, purple color. A for apple. Pink color. B for bus. Orange color. C for cow. Light green color. D for doctor. Red color. E for eyes. Dark green color. F for frog. Sky blue color. G for grass. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for owl. P for penguin. Q for quilt. R for rose. S for sun. T for train. U for unicorn. V for violin. W for wrist. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra.
Wow!
Let's revise. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Let's pack the colors. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye.